Okay, we're on to programme 5 now. Everyone in positions. Cool. Where's all them mums and dads come from? Get them out of the studio. Cool, trying to get glory seekers on their kids, aren't they? Hey, I know it says on here your father and your mother. Get on your nerves. Right, ready? Yeah, get all them kids in position and move that mum. She's a right pushy one, she is. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Love God first, love God only, love God's name and day, honor your parents. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has. Love God first, love God only, love God's name and day, honor your parents. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has. Love God first, love God only, love God's name and day, honor your parents. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has. Ten commandments, I can never do the stuff the law demands. On the cross, the Son of Man gave me grace and glory and a place to stand. The law won't budge, the law won't bend. You can't do nothing about 1 through 10. The teaching about Jesus, my Savior and friend. The 10, here we go again. The 10 commandments, I could never do the stuff the law demands. But on the cross, the Son of Man gave me grace and glory and a place to stand. The law won't budge, the law won't bend. You can't do nothing about 1 through 10. The teaching about Jesus, my Savior and friend. The 10. Love God first. Love God only. Love God's name and day. Honor your parents. Love God. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has. Love God first, love God only, love God's name and day, honor your parents. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has. Love God first, love God only, love God's name and day, honor your parents. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has. Love God first, love God only, love God's name and day, honor your parents. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has. Love God first, love God only, love God's name and day, honor your parents. Don't kill, don't break your vows, don't steal and don't lie, don't covet what somebody else has.
Going extra mile to bring you a smile, smile, smile. And here we are together with the smile phrase. Hey up, my name's AJ and I'm here to do smile mega phrase. And these are reinforced because this series is based on 10 Commandments. These rules were given to Moses by God. They are rules so we can walk the right path with Jesus. They are not there to spoil our fun, they are there to protect us. Remember, wear a smile, one size fits all. What we're going to do is go through these mega phrases and we're going to go through them a couple of times so we can remember them. Are you ready, children? Here we go. Smile phrase number 5. Honour your father and your mother. And that's in the Old Testament in the book of Exodus. And that is chapter 20, verse 12. Children, can you say it with me? Honour your father and your mother. Exodus 20, verse 12. Right, over to Justin with news. Justin.
Guys, they're all right. Come on. Lighting on the faces. That's it. Good boy. Right, okay. Red on the faces. Remember that. Don't want anything messing up. Right, next is Justin with the news.
Hello and welcome. I am Justin with the news. Justin. Again, the main heading for most of the newspapers today is the worrying fact that people are still ignoring the 10 Commandments. Commandment number 5 is causing great concern at the moment around the globe. Children everywhere seem to have gone wild. Total disrespect for parents. What is the world coming to? Only a few doors away from the Smile newsroom, a boy refused point blank to get out of bed. The parents tried everything possible, but still this child would not listen. He was totally disrespectful. The story we have just in comes from an eyewitness account. They have actually caught on camera one little girl getting out of control. It doesn't matter how young or old we are, we should respect our parents. Children, if you are listening to out there today, pay a little respect to mum and dad, because God says so right here on the tablet. This is Justin with the news for Smile TV.
Heather to smile. Yep, I know the weather's bad, but just get a smile in. Yeah, look into the camera, Heather. Oh, where's she got? Yep, there she is. Right, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everybody, Heather here, bringing you the weather. Well, today across the world, it is nice and I've got some good news for you. I spoke to my friend Ronnie roasted in earlier, and Ronnie is a lovely friend. He rides a motorbike, you know, and he's always smiling. I knew it would be sunny today because when he spoke, he had all bugs in his teeth where he had hit him while he was smiling away on his motorbike. You know, when it's sunny, you can go on holiday. Yes, my friend's on holiday. I got a postcode from her today. She's on holiday in Wales, you know. She says, "The weather is here. Wish you were beautiful." Oh, not sure I understand that. It's a bit dim, you know. Never mind. Anyway, so go outside, turn on your hoses and have a soak in the paddling pool. I love hot weather. Makes me feel so happy. Love to smile and do stuff like that, don't you? Oh, it's lovely. Remember, this is Heather with the weather. God created the weather. Goodbye.
Oh, Mum makes me so mad.
Oh no, what this time?
Cleaning my room, what else?
Not again?
She told me I couldn't go outside until I'd finished my room.
So, what are you doing over here then?
I told her to stuff it and marched right out the house.
My dear girl, what were you thinking?
Grandma, I get tired of her bossing me around.
Now you see here.
Oh, Grandma, not you too.
Oh, no you don't, young lady. You're not going to disrespect me like you did your mother. You're going to listen and listen good. First of all, she's your mother. You should always obey her. Always. The only exception is if she asks you to do something that would displease God.
Mum would never do that.
I know. Second, you should honour your mother and father so that you can live a long time like your grandmother. Long life is a promise from God for those who treat their parents with honour.
Really?
Yes, it's the only one of the commandments with a promise. Third, you're lucky to be alive.
What?
Back in Old Testament days, anyone caught speaking to their mother and father the way you spoke to your mum would have been put to death.
Wow, God takes honouring and respecting your parents that seriously, huh?
You bet. And not just your parents. Anyone who is your elder is worthy of your respect, so long as they don't ask you to go against God. You do as you're told.
Boy, I've really done it this time.
Oh, I suspect your mother will let you live, but I would expect a fairly heavy punishment for this one.
And I deserve it too. I can disagree with Mum, but I shouldn't have said what I said, and I need to learn to do it in a more respectful manner.
Crystal, they're the only parents you'll ever have. They do what they do because they love you. I know that they do and say things that don't make sense to you now, but when you're older, you'll be glad you had such loving, caring parents.
Thanks, Grandma. That's probably Mum now.
You've got some explaining to do.
And some major apologising. See you when I'm 20.
Oh, who knows? Maybe your mum will take it easy on you and just ground you until, well, you're a teenager.
Thanks, Grandma. Thanks for setting me straight.
That's what grandmas are for.
At the cross, where I first saw the light, and the burden of my heart rolled away. Tea, anybody? Tea? Would anybody like any tea? Nice fresh tea, cakes. Been up all night baking them. Do you know what? It gets worse in this office. Don't respect their elders, you know. I don't think any of them have heard the commandments about honouring your father and your mother. Even though I'm not none of their mothers, but I'm not really old, actually. That's it. I'm going. At the cross, where I first saw the light.
We are God's chosen holy nation. We belong to Him alone.
Okay, that's a wrap on programme 5. Honour your mum and dad. Uh-oh. Yeah, made me think on that one. Ain't seen me mum and dad for about a month now. Ought to at least phone them, didn't I? Yeah, I'll do it after the show. Yeah. Or maybe after programme 6.